If you want to investigate resources in Prisma Cloud, you can use RQL or Resource Query Language. You can access a list of resources identified by an RQL query from the Investigate page. In our case, we have submitted the above query and obtained a list of resources that match the query. You can drill down and obtain more information from the results that are returned. If we look at the columns in the table, we see the resource name. We can see that the service is specified along with additional parameters. If I move to the right of the panel, I have an option to view resource config. I can view the raw resource configuration, and I can save that to the clipboard as well. In our case, let's filter on Corp. I have a resource in mind here, Corporate Web Content, and let's go ahead and select that. This opens a details page for the resource. There is a panel on the left side of the page that provides configuration information detail. There's also a section on alerts that have been triggered against this resource. On the right side of the page is the resource lifecycle. In other words, all the stages in the life cycle of this resource based on timestamp. There's a panel to represent each audit event that occurred with this resource. Any changes to the resource configuration are captured and summarized in the audit trail. As we further investigate this resource, there are a couple ways I can look at the resource config. There is a button in the Details panel, so I can click on that, and once again, there's the resource configuration. The infrastructure is code representation of the resource. If I want to see more details about an audit event, I can click on the panel. The changes that occurred to the resource JSON are indicated in green and red. Green indicates JSON code was added, and red indicates that JSON code was deleted. And if I click on the panel, I'll just go ahead and close that. The red triangle indicates that an alert was generated against this resource at this stage of the resource lifecycle. If I want to explore what that alert was, I can click on the alert icon. This opens a new tab in my browser and opens the alerts page. Here I can see the actual alert, and I can click on the alert to access the alert details page and take actions against the alert.